Matthew.Ladd here. This week on Groupe with Montreal TNT, Trucks and Tips, I'm going to show you the various factory battery cutoff switches that you can get from Kenworth. The first truck up on this list is the Kenworth T680 and the one switch in-cab mounting. So we are on the driver's side of the truck. If you go with the one switch option, it will look like this right here. You can also get this switch mounted on the exterior of the battery box on a T880 or a T680. I'll show you what those two battery disconnect switches look like. And we're T880, we're just outside the driver's side door. You'll see here, you have the double battery disconnect switch. Inside a Kenworth medium duty truck, you'll see the battery cutoff located right here when you have the option of having the batteries underneath the passenger seat. Choose to spec your truck with a frame mounted battery box. You'll see the two battery cutoffs located right here. Now we're on the driver's side of a W900. You'll see the cutoffs located right here. It would be the same position also on a T800. Now here's the option for the battery cutoff located on the outside of the truck. In any case that you have the batteries mounted underneath the driver door, you can put the switches on the outside instead of the inside of the cab. Again, with the battery box mounted underneath the driver door, underneath the steps, you can also go with the single switch battery cutoff option located right there. And that's a look at the various battery disconnect switches that you can get on your Kenworth trucks directly from factory. That's Groupe with Montreal TNT, Trucks and Tips, and I'm Matthew.Ladd. Stay tuned for more tips in the future. Thank you.